Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Strata Data in New York. I'm here with Brett from Deloitte. Brett, how you doing?
Doing great, yourself?
Good. So how has the event been for you guys so far?
It's been a fantastic event. Strata is a really exciting conference. It keeps getting bigger every year. Our clients are really embracing big data in new ways and applying it to real C-suite, heart of the business issues, which is a bit of a change from previous years where it was more about the technology. Now it's about the applications and the results our clients are getting.
And the applications, are those what everyone's talking about, AI and machine learning and deep learning, or are there other things that you guys have seen coming up?
Deep learning, AI, machine learning are enablers, but what's exciting is, for example, in the industry I serve, the pharmaceutical industry, we're actually starting to see business outcomes. So for example, in healthcare, there's been this proliferation, this explosion of electronic healthcare data, which is now helping us answer questions like what treatments are working for what patients in what context and at what cost, which are heart of the matter questions that are central to 18% of the US economy, and now we're able to apply big data technologies to answer some of these questions that CEOs of pharmaceutical companies are thinking about every day.
And is this an easy transformation for them to go with big data and make decisions based on data, or is it a difficult thing for them to jump over that barrier?
No, it's a great question. It's not just about the technology. So it's easy to say big data, it's easy to say we want to embrace big data, but there's a lot of factors. There's new strategies, new operating models, there's cultural changes that need to occur as well to think about using data differently now that it's available to them. So it is really, of course the technology enables it, but for our clients to get to the outcomes they want, they really need to wrap it with full programs to help with the new strategies, the new operating models, new external partnerships, new sources of data, et cetera, to really be successful and take advantage of the technology.
And so if you look at all the partners you've worked with, what do you think the gotchas are for most of them? There's always a few hurdles that they have to get over. Can you identify a couple of those so that make it easier for them in the future?
Sure, yeah. I mean, the most successful clients in embracing big data are ones that start with strategic clarity from the top. When the C-suite really recognizes the importance and drives it into the organization, and it's not a technology bottom-up thing. That, to me, is lesson number one to success, is really making sure there's organizational buy-in and strategic clarity of why we're making the investments in these new platforms, technologies, and aligning that to the business outcomes that our clients are trying to achieve.
Excellent.